narrative sequence. The act of thinking with its beginning, middle and end, the act of organizing language in your mind and communicating it is like a tiny story, and that your mind is set up to communicate always through story. So storytelling can be dived into on a narrative level. There's a lot of research, especially in American universities, about this. There's research in terms of psychology, cultural application, linguistic application. It's extremely diverse, and it's also about you and an audience and enjoying the story. It's sort of everything in between. There are things happening in your head, in your brain during storytelling, which sometimes don't feel very concrete or substantial, but they're very subtle. There's been measurements done of the activity occurring in a brain between storytelling, oral storytelling, and other forms of interest stimulation. And there are different parts of your brain firing up when you're listening to a story. A well-told story, like Ian McKellen said. No one wants to listen to a badly told story, of course. It has no effect. A well-told story is firing up your imagination. It's kicking in mirror neurons, so you are mirroring the emotion. It's making you picture things. Your brain is more active, engaged in storytelling, than if it was another medium of carrying stories. And I'm particularly talking about this kind of theatre-style, active, participatory storytelling.